We've all seen those 1950s movies where a bunch of dads meet in some guy's driveway at 7 in the morning and pile into his car, and everybody has a terrific time going to work together. Well, everybody worked 9 to 5 in those days. Not anymore. Even husbands and wives who both work these days have a tough time coordinating their schedules. And the thought of 4 or 5 people squeezing themselves into today's smaller cars to save money and cut down on pollution scares me half to death. Maybe it was a good idea at the time, but carpooling won't work and can't work in 2012, so let's just stop talking about it.
Traffic congestion is getting worse in this town, and let's face it, the TTC can't handle the extra load in any sort of effective way. So more and more, carpooling is the way to go. Commuters can take turns driving, you can split the cost of gas, and filling the extra seats in your car means taking extra cars off the road, and what's more, you might even make a friend into the bargain. We've even got dedicated carpooler lanes that make it easier for you to get from point A to point B. So come on, turn that morning commute frown upside down, save yourself the rush hour aggravation, get in the car with a friend, and enjoy your ride to work.